What's up, YouTube? So, for today, what we got going on is we are about to eat... David?
Why are you David me? Just start.
I'm getting stressed out,
relax.
guys.
Do you want me to do the intro?
What's up, YouTube? So for today, we got our 100-year-old eggs, and we are going to be eating them, all 4 of us. There's about 6 eggs in here. We're going to have an egg each. Here's a little sneak peek of what they look like.
They're beautiful.
Beautiful. I'm a little nervous. They don't smell yet. This one's gray. Apparently, they look black on the inside.
I'm going to crack one open.
Oh, God.
Ew. What does it look like? What does it look like? What does it look like? It's black!
Ew. I need a drink.
Smell it.
Do I actually need to smell it?
Smell it.
I don't want to smell it.
It's horrible.
Did you smell it?
I did. Smell it.
It's dripping.
It's gross.
Oh, no, it smells. It smells.
Hon, look.
Ew.
That's so gross.
I'm not sure that
Are we cracking these open or what?
Yep, it's time.
Okay.
That's what it looks like. Oh my god, I can't. You ready?
It looks like shit.
Why does mine look like it has a pulse?
You know what? I wouldn't eat that one. Go to another one.
Oh god.
Ew.
He has a pulse? You are getting an Uber home.
Amber, could I have the butter knife for a second, please?
That's disgusting.
I'm going to cut this in half.
Oh god, this is so gross. Oh god, I don't want to touch my fingers. Oh.
Here.
Wait, Amber bounced. Are we ready to go? Are we ready to go or what?
No!
Amber.
Ew.
What is in this?
I said what?
That's a That's something in there. Wait, there's something it is. There's something in it. It's a baby.
It's a baby duck.
It's a baby
There's
duck.
a baby in there? I'll save it.
Hi. Hello, YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like below if you check out Alarming Amber on your Twitter or your Twitch.
TikTok,
Instagram.
God, what a nice little duck we got.
This guy's a winner.
Oh my god.
Can we,
Mine's kinda chilling in this.
I know, is there any paper towels? Vince, I would really open up another one. That one's bad.
Coral. In the back.
All right, are we ready?
I think I got cracked.
Cut it in half.
I don't know.
Amber.
What side looks like the best? Is there a better side to this?
For anyone that is an egg expert on a 100-year-old egg, why is this green?
Because it's rot. How the fuck? Why am I doing this? Why are we eating these? You know what? I can't stand the smell anymore.
So-
we have to just eat these.
so
fucking
what
things
I
because
think-
I can't stand the smell anymore. Vince's fucking rot right here is getting right up my nose, and
Can we get rid of this?
Keep the rot away from me.
Guys, they're warming up.
Oh, you know what? It's not yours. It's mine. All right, can I just eat this?
No.
Just
take-
no!
He just
What did you do? Did you lick it?
You want me to just eat it?
I kind of want to see him just eat it.
Go,
Just
go,
see
go.
what happens.
Really?
Do you want it? Do you need me with you?
Here's a
Yes.
throw-up bag. Who needs
I have
this?
one.
Oh, you have one?
What are you doing? Mom's getting all over and jealous.
Mom,
Dave,
Mom
come
just
on.
wanted a little
Cut it in
spotlight.
half.
I think mine's
What,
dying.
Dad? What?
I don't know if I'm gonna. I think I'm in trouble.
I think mine's right. There's little bits falling off of it every time I
Vince,
pick it
shut
up.
the fuck up with your egg. Your egg is rot. Oh. I'm almost throwing up.
And if I throw up, it's gonna make you guys throw up.
Yep.
Let's go.
Ew, it tastes like I haven't felt it yet, and that was my first time feeling it, and it feels like Jello.
Yeah, I told you it's like a gelatin.
Are you
It
doing
feels like
I'm waiting
Jello.
on them.
No,
Ready?
come on. What are you doing?
Let's go.
Ready? On a serious note, I think I have the
One,
best.
2, 3, go!
Go.
No, what? I am not ready.
Mine's warming up in my hand. It's gonna start dripping.
1, 2, 3,
No.
Amber, ready?
Bottoms up.
go!
Are we
Go.
doing this?
Earlier,
Oh god. Oh god.
I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
I spit mine out. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. It's
What
too
does it
slimy.
smell like? What does it do? I didn't do it. I got nervous.
It's too slimy.
I need a paper towel.
Oh,
okay, hold on.
Paper towel.
Oh.
I need a paper now.
In my
I'm
teeth.
going
Okay.
viral.
How bad is it?
I don't want to eat this.
It's
I'm
so
gonna,
fucking gross. it's
I'm
not
gonna
good
throw
for me.
up.
Can someone do a little bit with mine since I was a baby?
Oh god.
Oh my god.
Can I get some hype up? Can you hype me up for a second?
Let's go! Yeah!
Let's go,
Not like that.
Come on, Amber. Let's go.
Yeah,
Come on. There we go, Amber.
Amber.
Amber. Amber.
Okay.
Throw up. Throw up.
You didn't even get it all the way
I
in your
got
mouth.
nervous.
Disaster.
Put it in again and chew on it.
All right, Amber.
Okay.
I will go down this road with you, but I might vomit.
Okay, hold on. I got
You have
nervous.
to
I got nervous.
At least go.
If I throw up, it's content, right?
Yeah.
For the first
Ready, Dave?
instant, it tasted like a hard-boiled egg,
Hard pass.
and then it tasted like
No, just burnt
good?
pizza.
like swamp.
What?
How is
How
this?
is this a
Dad,
motivational speech?
Dad, let's do it again. Come on.
Thank you
Cheers.
for attending
Wait,
the
you're gonna
TED
do
Talk.
another bite? I have to blow my nose.
Ready?
Everything almost came
You
out.
actually want to? Wait, yours is falling apart.
That's
Hold on, hold on.
Amber,
Fail.
just do this.
No.
Oh!
Okay, wait. How did what? Like right here?
Yeah, just go like this.
Just put the whole thing in your
Amber,
mouth.
just do it. Ready?
Amber. Amber.
Okay.
Amber. Amber.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are we doing this?
I'm doing the baby. I'm doing the baby.
Do it for the YouTube. Do it for the YouTube.
Got that?
Hey, FaZe. FaZe, you owe it to FaZe.
That is true. That
You
is-
owe it. That's true. Let's go.
Owe it to
That
FaZe.
is true.
Put the whole thing in your
Come
mouth.
on.
FaZe.
She took a bite. That ain't no baby bird.
Now it's on the.
Get the bag up. Get the bag up. Are you throwing up? Yeah, no. Oh, she's thinking about it.
Savage is
Stuck in my
laughing with
front
it in his mouth.
My dad's a wacko.
Some savage shit right there.
An egg piece.
Oh my god, it's squirting! Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm starting to like it.
Dude, I feel like Simba. Like, oh,
This like
like
It's not that bad.
no.
Simba.
Amber.
He lives.
Oh, Dave. Dave.
The circle of life.
Me. Me.
The circle.
You know what? For real, it's not as bad.
As bad as what?
The first time.
No,
That's
it-
probably one of the most disgusting things that anybody could possibly eat.
That's so disgusting.
Oh.
It's really bad. I thought I was a goner for a second.
You know what? I still might throw up.
Yeah, it's really bad.
I feel like I keep getting little moments of like gagging a little bit. I
Stop
feel like
it.
Mufasa's gonna have a blast.
No.
Okay.
It's like a poop.
Eat it.
Hell.
Lick
Eat
it.
Just eat it. Look at Laura.
I'm just back here going viral.
Going viral.
She's been dancing for an hour and a half.
I know.
I hope that Mufasa takes her
Laura,
dancing
can you
edits it
can you
and just
smell it?
does like a full screen of
Nasty.
nothing but Laura dancing at one point.
That was
That was very,
very
disgusting.
gross.
I would actually never recommend a 100-year-old egg for any of you to try.
But you know
the
what?
texture is probably the most disgusting thing ever because you think you're about to have some nice gelatin or something.
Listen,
and
the
then
only
it tastes like absolute butthole.
the only reason why we did that is thank you very much.
Yeah, for you guys.
FaZe Jarvis. We love you.
FaZe K,
A-team.
FaZe K.
the A team, all of
The
you guys
A-team.
making our subathon absolutely
The
amazing.
A team is by far the
The
best,
best team. Yes, that's for sure. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate you guys. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out. Love you guys. Peace, peace, peace.
Love you, A team.